from Aunt Liz and
Sit
Alistair
down,
and
please.
Anaya and Aiden.
I got it.
And now open it, it's for you.
I can't.
Okay, here.
That was
Tear
hilarious.
that. Tear it open. Pull hard. Pull hard.
I mean,
You need me to help you?
yeah.
Yeah. What is it?
I want that.
Well, wait, we'll take it out in a minute. What is it?
I
A fire truck. Push the button.
want that.
It's hard. Let's see what else there is, okay?
You got lots of other presents.
I said, if you can ever not play with them all, we'll get
Hold on, Gavin, let's open another one.
Gavin, this one is from Aunt Leanne. What's that?
Aiden, please don't.
A tractor. That's
I want one.
You want one? Well, here.
I want
Look
one.
inside. See what it is. See what it
I
is.
want one.
Hold on and pull. What is it?
Tractor.
A tractor.
Oh, wow. And we got a fire truck, and now he has one of those for his another collection.
Okay, turn it around.
Okay, Gavin, you stay here. Grandma will bring it over for you, okay?
Mommy, I want a fire truck.
Okay, Gavin, this is from Mackenzie. Yeah, you picked a good one. This is for you. Pull the paper. Pull hard. Woo! What is it?
It's a car collection.
What is it?
Car collection. And a fire truck.
He likes fire trucks.
Gavin!
Gavin, go sit down. You gotta get more toys.
Come on, you want more presents? No, I don't want more presents.
I
You
have
should
no
have said
idea.
that
We're
was
so
loud.
popular.
Pull the paper.
hilarious.
Pull hard. Pull hard. I don't know. Pull hard. Pull here. What is it? What is it? Who is that?
I want that one.
Who is it?
Oh,
Who is it?
one.
Who's that?
I want that one.
Well, let's see if I can get it open. I'm trying to. All right, here we go. Yes, Grandma will open it. Okay. It's Handy Manny. It's stickers.
No, it's
It's
magnet.
magnets. Okay, we'll do that one later. First, we'll get you another present. Okay, that's Handy Manny magnets. This one's from Savannah.
That's a big one.
Okay, here.
They're magnets.
Pull it open. Pull the paper. Good job. Good job. Pull the paper. He's got the idea now. Pull.
It's from me.
Pull. What is it?
I'll help him.
Who is it? Okay, who is that?
Gavin,
Who's
come
that?
out.
Push it back. Push it. Dora the Explorer. And look, there's a map.
Map.
A map. Okay, we're going to get you another one. Stay there.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
This one is from Daddy. This one's from Daddy, okay?
Oh, wow.
She wants a car. Okay, pull hard. Pull. Okay.
I wonder what it is.
Okay, pull. There you go. Pull. What is it?
Oh!
We got 2 more presents, Gavin, okay? 2 more presents. Wait, 2 more presents.
Hold on, Gavin.
This one's from Grandpa and Grandma Lee, okay?
You want to open
Pieces open. Okay.
You got to ask
Right
Gavin.
here. Pull hard. Rip.
I
All right, Gavin. Good job. Now he's got the idea.
got
Who's that?
is.
What is that?
I almost got him a handy manny something. It
Oh,
was it's the toolbox and all the tools were in it. But you push the button and they all went up like this and they sang the song. And I was like, oh, wow, I'm
can you move,
not going to punish Charlene with that.
Okay.
Go stand by
one more
Alistair.
present, okay? You want to hold it?
Okay, one That's more cute. present and then you can play with whatever toy
This
you
one
want.
understand with
Can
everything.
I please
Pull
little
hard.
You have to talk to Gavin.
Grandma and Grandpa Bill.
That's you.
Yep, that's me.
It's a new blanket.
Nope, it's not a blanket. Okay, let me show you what this is.
You know what? I almost got him one of those too, but I didn't know if he had one already.
Mommy.
I thought it was very nice.
Yeah, the same thing.
Yeah, I'm really glad I didn't.
Look at this, Gavin. This has roads for your cars to drive on.
Oh, what car? It's the city. I like that car.
He's like, you gotta